Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Today we will start a new chapter number 4, Plants Around Us. If we will look around our house or school or go to a nearby park, we will see different kinds of plants. Some plants are big, other plants are small. Most plants are green. But there are some plants that have yellow, red, or even purple leaves. We all depend on plants for many of our needs. They are our friends. We must take care of them. So let's learn more about plants. Plants are living things like us. And all plants have two main parts. The part of a plant below the ground and the part of plant above the ground. Let's continue the same in more detail. See, the part of the plant that grows below the surface of the earth is called root system. And the part of a plant that grows above the ground, it is called shoot system. And it consists of stem, branches, leaves, bud, flowers and fruits. Now let's learn function of each part. Stem. It is the part of a plant that grows vertically upwards and bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. The stem of a tree is the strongest part of the tree and is also known as trunk. Now let's learn some functions of the stem. See, the stem performs many important functions. It carries water and mineral from the roots to the leaves. It also carries prepared food from the leaves to the other part of plants. Now let's move to other important part of a plant, leaves. See, a leaf is a thin, flat and green part of a plant that is attached to the branch. Leaves manufacture food for the plant and they are also known as kitchen of the plant. Next main part of a plant are flowers. It is the most beautiful part of a plant. A flower grows from the bud and produces fruits and seeds. Another important part of a plant is its fruit. Yes, a fruit is sweet product of a plant that has seeds inside it. And another important function of a fruit is it contains seeds and a new plant germinates from the seeds. Now let's learn some functions of the root. The root of a plant performs many important functions. Roots fix the plant firmly to the ground. This prevents the plant from being pulled out easily. Another important function of the root is they absorb water and minerals from the soil. These substances are needed for the growth of the plant. Now let's move to our next topic, types of plants. Plants are of different shapes, sizes and have different kinds of leaves. First, we will learn about trees. Big, tall and strong plants are called trees. They have a thick, strong and woody stem called the trunk. Most trees have many branches. The trunk of a tree is covered by a protective layer called the bark. Trees live for many years. Some trees stay green throughout the year, while other trees shed most or all their leaves at least once a year. Some of the different types of trees that commonly grow around us are apple tree and neem tree. Now let's learn about shrubs. These are small plants with woody stems. Shrubs have many stems and branches and are bushy. They live for a few years. Rose, hibiscus, basil, all these are some commonly found shrubs. Next is herbs. Small plants with soft green stems are known as herbs. Grass is a herb. Some commonly grown herbs are mint, spinach, and coriander. They add taste and color to food. Now we'll learn about climbers. Do you know some plants have weak stems and they need support, such as a wall or a stick or another tree to grow? These plants are called climbers. Some common examples of climbers are money plant and pea plant. Next is creepers. Creepers are plants with weak stems that grow along the ground. Pumpkin, watermelon, and muskmelon plants are common examples of creepers. Now we will move to our next topic. Plants grow in different places. Plants grow almost everywhere. They grow in places which have air, water, sunlight, and the right kind of soil. They grow in different places such as plains, mountains, forests, deserts, even in areas where it snows a lot. They grow not only on land but also in water. Fir and pine trees grow on mountains where it is always cold. The water lily plant grows in water. The lotus plant also grows in water. The coconut tree grows in hot places near the sea. Mango and neem trees grow in warm places. The cactus plant grows in hot deserts where water is very little. That's all for today, students. We'll complete our rest of the chapter in my next class. Thank you so much. Stay safe and indoor.